Hi, welcome back to the channel. 10 LA, small town angler. So what we're doing today is another creek fishing video. What we'll be using today, I'm just going to use a fluke and a jerkbait. Let's see if there's anybody home over here. Ooh, a bunch of minnows in there. Oh. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of a walk here. All right, if you can't tell, looks like some pigs come up here and tore this all up. Golly. Yeah. Oh wow. Got him, got him. No. Oh my gosh. I got excited. I got way too excited. Tried to pick him up too quick. He was still fighting. That was dumb. Chris, that was dumb. Man, that hurt. That was a 4-pounder. That was a 4-pound bass. I mean, it's not a huge bass, but I mean, for a creek, that's a pretty big bass. And I don't know what I was thinking. That was pretty stupid on my part there. That big bass came out from over there out of nowhere. I seen his shadow and he come up and hit that. Set the hook, had him. I had him. And then I got silly with it, so that's what happens. Can't get silly with it. Let's see if we can get some redemption here. Oh. Got him. Yes. Stay down, baby. Come on. Let him fight. Stay hooked. There we go. Woo! Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Whew. Oop. There we go. Beautiful, healthy creek bass right there. Beautiful fish. Water. A little toss here. There he goes, he's gone. Sweet. We got a little good hook there. We got him out and he's gone. I don't want to lose this lure. I know it's cold, but that's a good lure. I don't definitely want to lose it, so I have to throw these shoes in the dryer. It's gonna be... that. Golly. Let's make some casts right here since I'm already in the water, and then I'm gonna take that. It's like some kind of net. Almost looks like a round bell net, but we'll get that out of the water. Got him, got him. Come on, baby, stay on, stay on, stay on. Here we go. Whoa, easy. Bass number 2. Barely hooked. Look at the belly on that little guy. Golly. He ain't missing no meals, that's for sure. Jeez, that is a fat bud. Just for good luck. There we go. Awesome. Fat little belly. Get that out of the water. Wet shoes. And I know I've mentioned it too before, you know, some of my videos about fishing smaller profile baits in creeks. You can fish bigger, you can fish, especially when there's creeks that hold bigger fish, you can fish bigger baits. I just prefer to throw a little bit smaller just because that's a little bit more natural, a little bit more of a natural food presentation here. Well, natural food presentation, but in creeks, I feel like throwing a little bit smaller baits is, you know, is a good way to go. You know, smaller presentation, just because a lot of the bait in here is going to be a little bit smaller. I mean, this resembles a decent sized minnow quite well. You know, and then bass, they're gonna eat that. Got him. Oh, swimming straight to me. There we go. Woo! Yes. Easy, fella. Don't get me hooked. There we go. Another beautiful little creek bass right there. There we go. Kiss for good luck. Thanks, bud. There it goes. With this little quick, short, sweet little video here, we can't blame nothing on that. With myself there, I try to rush the land, and that was a pretty good sized bass, and you just can't do that. You gotta let them fight, let them tire out. Especially when you're trying to lift them up kind of high, you gotta take time. I mean, you want to land them as quickly as possible, of course, but you know, you just gotta, you know, you gotta have a little bit of patience, you know. Otherwise, you know, stuff like that happens. So unfortunately, we lost that big one there, but we did end up catching a decent bass and a couple small ones, and it was still fun. So that was a lot of fun. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, please smash the thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Until next time, chest bump, I'm out.